Hardships are never meant to punish you. They're what builds you. This truth can make living life a scary proposition at times. On our life journey, we're oftentimes looking for answers. Not only that, we want the answers to be clear and precise so we don't get hurt. But that's just not how it works. Oftentimes, the test is how you learn the lesson in life. It can be painful. From a Christian perspective, obstacles can be seen as God punishing you for some transgression, but you're never really sure. If you're sure, then you just simply accept that you're being punished and deal with it. It's one of the most depressing and disempowering states of mind for any Christian to believe that God is punishing you. That idea hurts. By contrast, in Kemetic teachings, your obstacles in life are not meant to break you or punish you. From a Kemetic perspective, you're an extension of God. So why would God punish itself? Hardships are meant to be the catalyst for you to break your own chains. They're your tests. It's analogous to being a hero or heroine in a movie. They always struggle to overcome their opposition or obstacles. But when they do overcome the obstacles, they build strength and realize how strong they are. Then they begin to rise to every challenge because they've learned how powerful they are. From the Kemetic perspective, a soul gains wisdom and learns through opposites and obstacles. For example, if you need to learn to forgive, then you'll have an experience in life that you'll need to forgive someone. Not the fake, pious, morally right religious forgiveness. The wisdom of forgiveness is when you have to reach into your soul and change the way you live your life because it reoriented your whole way of being. It breaks the chain of something that tormented you and now it doesn't. That's when you become a hero. That's when true wisdom is gained. That wisdom will travel with you as a soul through lifetimes. You have that wisdom from past lives within you now. Courage is always a prerequisite to your spiritual journey. You find truths through your hardships. It was something that almost broke you, but it ended up building strength in you. If it didn't, you will revisit the test again. But when you truly gained the wisdom, it became a foundation for you becoming empowered. Think back on something that almost broke you and what it did for you and how you live your life now. You are stronger for it. That's what happens when you have the courage and power to break your own chains. Your truths will build you from the inside out. Your hardships will become the foundation that you step on and rise. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with anyone that would be uplifted and expanded by it.